A huge verdict has come from the Supreme Court, and I want to go across directly to the top court of the country. It's a 7-judge bench permitting quota within quota. Supreme Court has said quota within quota is not against equality. It's a 6-1 verdict, and dissent has been by Justice Bela Trivedi. The scheduled castes are not a homogeneous group, is what the Supreme Court has said, which means, according to the top court, states are permitted within the constitution to create a subclass. The subclassification of even the scheduled caste will be permitted. I want to immediately bring in India Today's legal correspondent Kanu Sarda. Kanu, help us understand that, one, this is only about scheduled caste and not scheduled tribes, and within the scheduled caste as well, there are subcastes that can be added. Will it be added separately? What has the court said, Kanu?
Well, Pooja, the court has categorically said that the states have the power to do the subcategorization that is prevalent, especially in the state of Punjab and Andhra, where the states have done the subcategorization. The court has, upheld the 2004 judgment of the Supreme Court, and that categorically made it clear that wherever the subcategorization is needed, wherever the states feel that this category of the people needs to be upbring to the society in a better manner, the states have the power to do so. The Constitution gives them enough power to do so. But on the same hand, Justice B.R. Gavai, who is also giving his opinion, has said that states must evolve a policy to identify the creamy layer among the SC/ST category and then only take the action. So he is agreeing on the part that the subcategorization should be there, but it should be at par with the other categories. He is clearly stating that subcategorization doesn't mean that the other categories would be affected from all the benefits. So subcategorization should happen, but it should happen with the logic that other categories don't suffer. So as we see, the verdict is still being pronounced. We have got to know that the judgment is by 6 judges. They agree on the main part that the subcategorization should be there, and Justice Bela Trivedi has dissented on it. So yet to hear what Justice Bela Trivedi has to say on this, and the Supreme Court has clearly made it clear that the 2004 judgment was right in its entirety, and the subcategorization as given to the states will be applicable.
Keep tracking all the latest on that, Kanu, because this is a big news that's come in. It's already been a lot of political showdown on this. Scheduled castes are not a homogeneous group, which means possibly there can be a sub-classification that can be added to it. Subclasses can be added, but that's the states. The state government will have that right, as in constitution, to create that quota.